from the last few years, from the last 2 years, I'm feeling lots of the distractions. Trust me, every single minute I'm feeling distraction with everything. I'm feeling distraction with the social media. I'm feeling distraction with the apps like Facebook and Instagram and other various apps. I cannot just take the name of the few, but really I'm getting lots of the distraction. My book out there that how to stay focused, get rid of the distraction. Trust me, we all are not perfect at anything. We have to get it perfect each and every single day. We have to try something to becoming making ourselves more focused, more better and more successful. This video was sponsored by the Career Bro, which is a career counseling platform. It is founded by me and it is a joint venture with us. So Career Bro, if you need any type of the career counseling, maximum must visit Career Bro website. You can talk to Arvind Upadhyay team for any need, for any speaking events or anything. You just talk with us and do with us.